Log in to the Huawei Cloud Console. In the service list, select Server Migration Service. Under Migration, the SMS console is displayed. In the navigation pane, click Agents. In the Windows area, download the agent you need. Read the precautions and click Download to obtain the agent. Install the agent on the source server. Click Finish, and the agent is started. Enter the AK/SK pair of your Huawei Cloud account. Click Start, and read the attention. Click Yes to start the agent. After the agent is started, it sends the source server information to SMS. Back to the SMS console and click Servers in the navigation pane. If the source server is displayed in the list, the agent has successfully sent the source server information to SMS. Otherwise, it has failed. SMS checks the migration feasibility after receiving the source server information. If the connection status is connected and the migration status is ready, you can go to the next step. Click Configure in the target column. Select a migration template or retain the default template. The default template is created by the system. You can also create one by yourself. Select a network type. To migrate over a public network, configure an EIP for the target server before the migration. To migrate over a private network, prepare Direct Connect, VPN or VPC, peering connections before the migration. If the source and target servers are in the same VPC, no further configurations are required. Configure a migration rate limit. If you do not want to limit the migration rate, retain default value 0. For Windows servers, SMS only supports block-level migration. Decide whether to let the system continue to synchronize incremental data after the full migration is complete. If you select No, the system will launch the target server after the migration is complete. If you select Yes, after the full replication is complete, SMS will periodically synchronize incremental data. Decide whether to resize partitions on the target server. If you select No, the target server will have partitions of same sizes as the source server. If you select Yes, click Resize Partition to adjust partitions on the target server. For more information about partition resizing, see the SMS documentation. Click Next to configure target. Select the region you migrate to, and select a project in the region. For a server, select Use Existing and choose a server based on the recommended target server specifications. If no existing servers meet the requirements, select Create New. If you select Recommend for Server Template, the system will automatically configure and create a VPC, subnet, and security group for the target server. You can also create a custom server template. If you select an existing template, the system will fill in the settings of the VPC, subnet, and security group based on the template. In the advanced settings, the system will configure server name, AZ specifications, system disk, data disk, and EIP based on source server specifications. You can modify the advanced settings as needed. After the configuration is complete, click Next to confirm. Check whether the migration configurations are correct. Click Save after confirmation. Read the migration conditions and risks carefully and click Yes to save the configurations. Click Start in the Operation column. Read the precautions and click Yes. Then the system will execute a full replication. The migration status will become ongoing. You can click View Details to view the migration progress. When the migration status changes to Finish, the full migration is complete, and the target server is launched. If any data is added or modified on your source server, you can synchronize the incremental data to the target server by clicking Sync in the Operation column. In the displayed window, click Yes. to start the incremental synchronization. If you encounter any problems, in the upper right corner of the page, click Quick Start and FAQ links to find solutions. If any error occurs during the migration, you can view the error code, error cause, and solution link in the error message.